like to call upon the stage Siddharth sir to announce the elected candidate.
Respected father, sister, Reverend sister, dear teachers, and my fellow students. Being Ajay sir, myself, the election in charge for St. John Vianney School, Gwalior. I am excited to announce the names of the qualified candidates for the Students' Council 2024-25 for the positions of head boy, head girl, house captain, and house vice captain. The names of the students are for the positions of head girl, Manvi Tomar. Please come up on the stage. The students which I am calling, please come on the stage. Manvi Tomar, Kanak Soni. For the positions of head boy, Adit Singh Tomar and Prabhakar Tomar. Please come off the stage. The students of Yellow House for the positions of Captain Nikki Rai from 11B and Tanvi Sharma from 11B. Please come on stage fast. Vibhuti Srivastava, 9th. Devraj Singh Chauhan, 9th, and Deependra Singh from 90. Please come on stage fast. Now I will call for the students of Red House for the position of House Captain Mania Pal from 11B and Vanshika Parmar from 11A. The student for the Vice Captain Ayush Sharma from 9B, Anshika Sigarwa from 9A, Divyanshi Rao from 9C, and Soumya Sirotia from 9B. The students from Green House for the position of House Captain Krishna Rajput from 11B, Vansh Yadav from 11B. For the position of Vice Captain, House Vice Captain of Green House, Aradhya Yadav of 9C, Ishika Sharma of 9C, and Dharamir Shah of 9E. Now I call upon the name from the Blue House. The House Captain for the position of House Captain Vanshika Yadav of 11C, Adul Yadav of 11B, and for the position of Vice Captain Naitik Singh Parmar of 9C, Rudra Sharma of 9B, Ishika Silani from 9B, and Rimjim Sharma from 9A. Now I will call for the names from the Orange House for the position of Captain Prince Yadav and for the position of Vice Captain Madhav Sharma from 9B, Madhav Yadav from 9B, and Adam Gupta from 9E, and Akshay Yadav from 9A. Students come fast. I am thankful for your willingness to step forward and to serve. This is truly admirable. I encourage you all to campaign for the Student Selection Council 2024-25 and to showcase your leadership qualities. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. Best of luck for the day. Thanks a lot.
Thank you everyone.
Dear teachers and students, I wish all the best to all the candidates on the election. And this time we are also including class 5th for the voting. So first you will be, the candidates will make their votes and you can go access the library. Okay? So all the best to the election commission and all those who are here. God bless you.